Hello, lovelies, and welcome to Truly Tarot, where here we do unboxings and reviews on makeup and skincare and anything that they can throw in a box. I'll take it. So today I have P. Louise, and it is the monthly box, which is 51. Um, and stay to the end so we can talk about the giveaway. I'll have my question for you. Um, so yeah, let's unbox this Miss P. Louise. This is one of my newer favorite boxes. I have not got into this yet. So, all right. Skin Bling. Oh, there went my light. Oh, come on. Don't start with me. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I can do it without it. I don't know if it gets hot or what. It just starts acting stupid. All right. Like, hopefully, I don't know. I feel kind of like the light has been getting in the way anyway. So let's just try one without the light. And if you guys like can tell that I don't have a light, then and that I need it, let me know. Okay, so this is awesome. I don't even know yet what it is. Skin Bling, Staying Humble. What is it? Oh, okay. It says, I'm humble, but I won't take shit. So that's cool. I think that that is I'm going to call that a highlighter. Yeah, that's a highlighter. If you could feel that, like, I don't know if you can see it. Oh, it's like, it's sort of like what a bag would feel like. That is amazing. I say amazing so much. I know I do. I can't help it. I'm trying to figure out. Dull days no more. I found my spark out of the word bling, shining from the heart. Oh, out of this world bling. Okay. All right. Okay. Highlighter powder. I finally found it. It is so cute though. Like it is. I love this stuff so much. Okay. So next we have the cheek of it. I have been seeing these on her site and hoping that I would get one in one of my boxes. So yay. This is blush. And this is, I can't see anything without my light now. The light is either, oh, it's driving me crazy one way or another. Okay, a flirty flush of color. All right. Well, let's see about that. I really don't, oh, wow. I didn't know that it was one that sort of like the, um, I don't know if I have to go in and break it open. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. It's not, no, it's coming through. It's coming through. Okay. So let's try this. I have I have a little bit of makeup on because I've got color from being on vacation. So all right. Yeah, that I didn't realize that that was whenever I seen the little bottles, like I just thought like a little bit come out the top. I didn't know that it was like the Charlotte Tilbury highlighter action. And we, yeah. So loving it. All right. So next we have, okay, I got one of these before. I think that it is, ooh, oh, sweet like chocolate. Yep, we're opening it. I was thinking, I think that it's like oh, where's my knife? It's here. I'm thinking that it's lip, I think a mask. I don't know. We'll see. I, I like to open these and like in front of you guys so you get to see like my reaction to it. Because if you see my like first like, oh my gosh reaction, then you know that it's something cool. And if it's like a dud, then you truly honestly see that, right? Which is where Truly Tarot comes from. You get my true reaction. All right. Oh, so this is different. Oh, wow. Okay. Protect your pout and stay shining. Okay, so like I was saying, this box is $51. You cannot tell me that this is not totally worth it. Oh my gosh. Wow. She has got just the coolest stuff. I like, wow. She is taking, like right now, P. Louise and Lorella are like, I could give up all my other boxes and be happy just getting these. Okay, this is the Stay Shining. What was that called? That was the Protect Your Pout. And that was called Milking It. Protects and hydrates dry and damaged lips. And I need that so bad right now because the sun absolutely dried my skin. I mean, I think the sun, between the sun and the sand, like it's a great exfoliator. But man, whenever I first got back, I could so tell that my skin was just like, even, and that was even putting sunscreen and everything on. Like, definitely when you get out in the sun, make sure you are wearing sunscreen. Okay, I'm trying to open this, but look how cute. Okay, so this is the Stay Shining, and that tastes so good. Oh. So I guess this is just a gloss. I don't know. All right, let's read. Super hydrating formula, sweet like chocolate. This is a lip oil. So got like a chocolate lip oil and a protecting your pout, milking it. Okay, so for the sweetest kisses that taste oh so good, anytime is a good time for Chocolate Babe. Our lip conditioner, that's what I was looking for, has been specifically formulated to hydrate dry and damaged lips with each application, with added moisture surging benefits to help improve lip firmity for the pout of dreams. Prepare for protected, hydrated, and glowing lips, babe, because you deserve it. And then there's the directions. I mean, yeah, that's, I'm loving these a lot, a lot, a lot. And it comes in that cute little, did I show you that? Did I show you? I hope I did. Cutest packaging in the biz. That, you cannot take that away from P. Louise. Okay, now, okay. I was thinking that in the June box we were getting that. Yeah, I thought we were getting because this is all about lips. Like, there's no this is it. Last but not least, this is P. Louise Shut Up and Kiss Me. Really cute. But I thought we were getting like that bit. I thought we were supposed to be getting something. Hopefully that's July, because I'm really wanting that palette. Like, I seen it, like, I think I got a message from them and they said that none of these have any names or anything. This is just a brown. I mean, maybe I should have done this first and then put on the lip oils. It says, I haven't got much time to talk when my pout is looking this perfected. Gotta make sure I don't kiss too quick or you'll become addicted. I love her stuff. It is so cute. But I am wondering about that palette, because that palette looks, I was like, wow, we're getting that in a box. Dang. Okay. So that is all for the P. Louise. That was a perfect box. Every box is always like, what, 2 or 3 months now, and I've just been blown away every time. Okay, so contest. Make sure that you're liking, subscribing, commenting. Tell me, because there's a couple of answers to this. What is my favorite company? Who do I, as far as makeup, skincare, there are 2 answers that I will take. But who is my favorite? I mean, we'll just leave it at who is my favorite in the makeup and skincare, in this world. Um, so yeah, that's going to be the question for the contest. And again, whoever gets the right answers, you're going to be put into a drawing, and in a couple of days we'll have it, ready to go. So yeah, who is my favorite? And that will be it for this one. I'm trying to think. I feel like there's something that I'm meaning to tell you, but I don't know. I guess not. Just, oh yeah, like, subscribe, comment. Make sure that you're hitting the notification bell so that way you are notified whenever I make a video, because that helps me grow. We've made it to 72, which is amazing. It makes me so happy, because I love doing this. Like, I love having the conversations, and yeah. So that's it. I will see you guys in the next. Bye.